Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to add store policies and legal pages on Shopify. So I'm going to share with you step by step how you can do it. And don't worry, it's not something difficult. So just follow the steps that I'm going to share with you in this video and you can do it in your Shopify store, okay? So now I am going to my phone and I'm going to open my browser. Okay, so now I'm on the official website of Shopify, and as you can see, these are the steps. They shared with us all the steps that we need in order to add store policy and legal pages. So for the step number one, which is from your Shopify admin, go to settings and then policies. For the second step, which is enter your store policies, or click create from template to enter the default template. Then use the rich text editor. This is your choice, just to add style and formatting to your policies, okay, and to add links, and also if you want to add images. And for the third step, which is review your policies and make any changes. So when you're gonna write all your policies, you need to review it to make sure that you didn't make or you didn't make any problem, okay? And after reviewing all your policies, you can click on save to add your policies. And that's it, guys. That's all what you need to do in order to add store policy and legal pages on Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.